David, your hair really is beautiful, honestly.
Thank you.
So how and why did you grow your hair this long?
So my father was diagnosed with cancer in the summer of 2014, and me and my sister had a fundraiser that we were going to see who could raise the most money, and if we both raised, we would shave our heads off. So we did that in August of 2014, and I decided at that moment, like...
And he hasn't cut his hair since.
Yeah.
Since then?
Yeah.
So it started out with a great heart and a good cause, but now maybe it's time...
It's been 3 years.
Yeah. And there's a lot of hair there that I'm sure we can give to a great organization.
Absolutely.
We will
totally donate all of this, which is amazing. I love that.
But you have gorgeous, he has beautiful hair.
He does.
Speak before we cut.
The shorter, the better.
The
Shorter the better.
I
Do you want to have a go?
cut now.
No, I'm not professional.
You're good with sharp implements.
Yeah. I know, right? It is hard to watch. It really is.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
What's that hurt?
She is like gnawing through it.
Right,
There's a lot of hair there.
Oh my God. Oh my God. She literally can't cut through it all. Oh. Oh, that's even.
Woo! Look at this. It's gone.
Look at all the hair.
Look at all this.
Honestly, your
There you
hair,
go.
it's pretty jacked up in the back right now.
I'll give that to you.
But I have to say, you have so much hair. Your hair looks
Totally.
thicker just by getting rid of some of the
Totally.
length.
Look at that. Better already. Wait till you see
Unbelievable.
the end.
Unbelievable. All right, so you guys are going to go backstage, right?
Yep.
We're not going to let you see you until the end of the show.
Yes, ma'am.
No cheating. We're all going to see you together at the same time. Ah, I love
No
that.
cheating.
Let's go. You guys go. Okay. I'll see you a little bit. Alrighty, so we're back. It's the moment of truth. We have celebrity stylist Tabitha Coffee with us. That's tough to say. Tabitha Coffee. And she's been backstage working away on Leandra's brother. A college-age guy cut his hair off, as did his sis, for a great reason, a great cause. But he has been letting it grow forever since. There he is before. David, when he left, he was like, whoa, that feels different. I think he felt a draft after that first cut.
Yeah.
He has not seen himself, so let's get him out here and take a look at a split screen before we let him take a gander at himself. Come on out, David! David?
Yes.
You said you hadn't been on a date in a while?
No.
Yeah, you're gonna have a real busy weekend, David. And can I just say that Lin-Manuel Miranda called? He'd like his look back. You look gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
You ready to take a look?
Yeah?
It's good, trust me.
All right.
Turn around. Looks pretty good. Tabitha?
How you doing?
Well, first
Are you
of all,
okay?
sis,
Are
are
you
you
good?
blown away?
I don't recognize him.
Right?
He's
Quite frankly, neither do I. Like, that's amazing. Yeah, good though, right?
Yes.
What do you think, David?
I look really
You look
good.
good. I love that. I look good. Tabitha, what did you do?
Let's start with the hair. I mean, this was a total...
He has amazing hair.
He's got the most beautiful hair, and you know what? Now he looks like a grown-up. He's in college. It doesn't mean you need to look like a little boy anymore. You should look like a grown-up professional guy. Get out there,
Or
date.
just a sexy beast.
Right? Like, now you look like a man. And this look I love because...
So do I.
It plays into the texture of his hair. He's got this lovely wave in his hair, which is really gorgeous. So I wanted something...
It's grown up, but it still really looks hustled.
It looks lived in. I call it lived in, so it doesn't look too like fresh and stiff, right? So played with the wave, and then the look, I just wanted something that could go from class to a date.
Right.
That when he walks down the street, he looks like a hip, cool, model-esque, sexy dude, and he does, right? Look at your sister. It's a good one.
Congratulations, you look amazing. Make sure to check out Relative Success with Tabitha. She is just brilliant, and that's on Bravo, a brilliant channel, perfect match for her.